The St. Patrick's necklaces were purchased from Dollar Tree. Glue the necklace onto the clean recycled glass bottle. Start at the bottom and work your way to the top. At the top, use a different design necklace to enhance the look. Cut the remaining necklace into smaller pieces and use those pieces to fill the empty spaces on the bottle. Spray the bottle gold. Simple, easy, and beautiful! For the second DIY, I will be using trimmings purchased from Walmart. Glue the trimmings onto a wooden dowel. Cut the gold foam sheet, also purchased from Walmart, 1/2 inch wide. Attach two pieces of the foam sheet together, then glue them onto the covered dowel. Try to space them evenly. Stick gold coins where the two pieces of foam sheet connects. Cut the foam sheet in half, then stick one piece at the top and one piece at the bottom of a regular sized foam sheet. Stick coins to cover the connected foam sheets. Also glue coins at the bottom, sticking it on every other foam sheet. Each line of foam sheet should have 2 gold coins on it. Add another piece of gold trimming onto the dowel at the top of the foam sheets. Could you believe how amazing this turned out? And most importantly, it was budget friendly. Comment below if you prefer DIY number 1, DIY number 2, or both. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed these St. Patrick's inspired room decor ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, elevate your space, not your spending.